Good day, traders. Hoping you guys had an awesome week of trading. This is Master Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Same handle across all platforms. Somebody wants us to look at, well, it's Justin again, UJ. I don't think I saw anything with the UJ, which is why I didn't even mark it. On the lower time frames, there could be something interesting, but on the higher time frames, there's not really a good T of A we can look at. And then if you want to look at a very tight trade, we'll probably look at taking a sell, looking at these levels, and then looking at these ones here as well, which are a bit too high, but you could get a nice area to tee off from here, and then potentially looking at the 1 minute charts and the 5 minute charts. So look at something along this range, and then targeting this entry point here. Let's drop back to the 1 hour. That's a good place to start. And then a trade 2, it'll probably be, well, the second option would be to take it from these levels, and because prices is already there, you're looking at selling now actually. So it'll be a trade along these ranges, and then shorting it from either this level or shorting it from where it currently is, which is at the 50% mark, and then targeting these levels here. So this would be a good trade from the lower time frame, somewhere along these ranges. I hope that makes sense. If you got in, there you go, there's your tank. Let's see, 2R hit, now it's tracing back up. I hope you guys are in the trade already. If you're in the comment section, just drop a yes, I'm in the trade, and then if not, you'll have to wait. But looking at something along these ranges, so it looks like that. And then you'd get another trade from these levels, also a sell from around that level there. Targeting these bottoms here. There we go. If you got that sell, the UJ sell, then that is pretty good. But there we go. So that is a potential trade as well on the UJ. So there's 2 trades. So there's the one in the shortest time frame. Yeah, something like that. There we go. Targeting these levels as well. Let me just put this mark here. So that's how your trade would look. This one is already gone. 4R hit. Yeah. There we go. So there's your UJ trade.